Hello, artists. Mrs. Ingalls here. We listened to the story, How to Spot an Artist. And we know that we're all artists and that there's lots of things that make up an artist. But once an artist has made their art, what do they do with their artwork? Anyone? Yeah, we have to keep it safe. And a place to keep it safe is a portfolio. A portfolio is a large folder that can store our artwork. And some artists have really humongous ones and some have smaller ones. Today, we are going to make a smaller one that we can keep at home to store most of our artwork. And friends, in my classroom, I'm going to be giving you one of these bigger pieces of paper that we are going to fold in half the taco way. We don't want to do it the hot dog way because then there's like no space for our art, right? We want it folded the taco way. Now, friends at home, if you don't have a 12 by 18 piece of paper, you can take two smaller pieces of paper and a little bit of tape. And you can simply tape the edge. That way, it holds it together so that when you open up your portfolio, artwork doesn't just slip out. So your choice. Are you going to use the small pieces, if that's all you have, or a bigger piece and fold it? Up to you. Once you have made your portfolio, we are going to hold it this way so that the open part is at the top and our artwork can go down inside of it. Now, we need to put what on our portfolio? Anyone? Our name. So I have some markers here, and you can use whatever you want. We also have a pencil that you might want to use. You could use crayons, totally up to you. And I'm going to start with my pencil, and I am going to write my name with some nice big letters. Mrs. Ingalls. Now, if I wanted to make these block or bubble letters, it's pretty easy, actually. I can trace inside the letter and then connect it, or I could trace around it like this. Totally up to you. However you do it, when you're done, you can erase. And then, once I have made my letters the way that I want them to look, I can trace them with marker, with crayons, etc. Okay, now we need to add color to our name. I'm outlining my letters with one color, and then I'm filling them in with another color. You can choose to do it however you want. Make it as colorful as you like. Just make sure that anybody could read your name. Okay, so now we're going to add drawings to our portfolio that show how we're an artist. I love color, so I decided to add a rainbow. I also love painting, so I added a paintbrush and some paint splashes. But you decide how you want to show that you're an artist. Okay, we're done. Now you're ready to take your artwork and put it inside. Artists, we are going to keep these at home, so make sure you keep it in a safe space so you can put all your art in it. Great job!